皆さんこんにちは。元気ですか？ So today is A1 level writing. Okay, so you learned already maybe hiragana, katakana, basic particle to make the sentences, and you learned some vocabulary from this video. This our video, membership program video, and maybe from your textbook. Then at the end, what you have to do is to write down your presentation, which is introduction. My name is Terumi. I am from Japan, and my hobby is this, my dream is this, or something like this introduction. If you are ready, you can book the lesson as an exam. Try to check the schedule in our website, and then you can book the test. You can take the A1 exam with the presentation, and then you can get your first experience point of Japan Language Factory. Okay, so presentation, and then we can do reading exercises. Okay, try to read. Okay, yes. こんにちは。こんにちは。Good afternoon. Okay, good afternoon. 今日は So 今日 maybe you never heard. 今日 means today. 今日は today 私の my 自己紹介 自己紹介 means self-introduction. Self-introduction をしたい want to do と思います I think. So here what you want to say is I'd like to do my self-introduction. Means this grammar is not A1 level, of course. This is around A3 level grammar, but this is very typical sentence when you start introduction. So you can just learn as a phrase. 私の自己紹介をしたいと思います。I'd like to do my introduction. Okay? So, next. 私は This is a particle we learn は私は I am 日本人です。Japanese. Okay? 日本人 is people. I am Japanese people. So if you are Greek, will be 私はギリシャ人です。If you are British, 私はイギリス人です。If you are Filipino, 私はフィリピン人です。Okay? So 出身は my birthplace, which means I am from birthplace. My birthplace は I am from 日本の in Japan 山梨です。Actually 山梨 is my hometown. So 山梨です。山梨 in Japan. So if Athens in Greece will be ギリシャのアテネです。If London in England will be イギリスのロンドンです。Okay? And 今 means now. Now 18歳です。Now I am 18 years old. So 歳 is years old. で and that's and 18歳で桜大学のそう桜 actually cherry blossom it doesn't matter Sakura University. So university is 大学 So Sakura University の学生です Student. So here it said I am 18 years old and I am student of the Sakura University. Okay? 専攻はMy major is 機械工学 機械工学 is engineering for the machine. 機械 is machine, 工学 is engineering. So, engineering, 機械工学です。So, if you're a major subject, what do you learning? Subject. If you're learning mathematics, then 専攻は数学です。If it's history, 専攻は歴史です。So search the vocabulary in your textbook, okay? So my major is engineering, and then 趣味は hobby, my hobby is, okay? My hobby is 映画鑑賞と映画鑑賞 which means watching movie. 映画 means movie. 鑑賞 is watching and listening. Okay? Listening or watching movie. Okay? 機械工学 so 機械工学 is engineering. So I didn't write the 機械工学 so 機械工学 means engineering. Okay? So 趣味は my hobby is 映画鑑賞 watching movie と and 旅行です traveling. Okay? And 好きな means my favorite 食べ物 food. My favorite food is 寿司と寿司とピザです。ピザです。Okay? 夢は my dream. So dream is my dream is ヨーロッパに in Europe. So ヨーロッパに住むこと means living. So these sentences are not A1 level, but if you have any requests, you can use live chat, community chat to make the sentence, and I can give you some idea if you want to describe your dream. Okay, 住むこと live in Europe. My dream is to live in Europe. And then よろしくお願いします。Thank you for meeting me. Thank you for your cooperation. Thank you for listening. Okay, so this is a very basic introduction. If you finish your introduction, you can apply for A1 test and you can challenge the test. You can get a first point. Okay? So, 頑張りましょう